Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Matthew Solomon, top 2 in the June 2017 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button in order for you to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Matthew.
Next, what type of pattern possesses two of the three basic characteristics of the loop? Okay? So, sa loop, meron tayong actually apat na characteristics. Una, it must have a looping bridge. Okay? Meron siyang ganon. Meron dapat siyang delta. Okay? Meron dapat siyang ridge count. Yan. And meron siyang point that touches the line. Okay? So those are the characteristics of a loop. Ngayon mga kaibigan, ang tinatanong dito, what if meron isa sa apat na yon na nawala? Okay? Halimbawa, wala siyang delta. Halimbawa, wala siyang core, wala siyang ridge count. So, anong pattern na siya? Kapag wala siyang delta, halimbawa, wala siyang core, anong pattern na ang tawag sa kanya? Okay, take note ha. That is the tented arc. Okay? So, the moment na yung loop nawalan ng isang basic characteristic, okay, ang tawag natin sa kanya ay, ang classification natin sa kanya ay tented arc. Okay? So, yung basic characteristics ng loop na walang isa, tented arc. So, dalawa po ang uri ng arc, di ba? Plain arc at saka tented arc. Okay? So, nawalan ng isang characteristic ang loop, tented arc. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, tinanong, June 2018, sabi, friction ridges appear on the life of an individual from the womb to tomb. Anong principle ng fingerprint ang ginagamit dito? From the womb to tomb. From sa sinapupunan ng kanyang nanay sa iyong paglibing. Okay, sa iyong libingan. Yan. So, anong principle of fingerprint yan? Okay, from the womb to tomb. Yan. So, that is the principle of what? Okay, the principle of constancy. Take note mga kaibigan ha. Pagka wala kayong nakitang constancy, pwede nyo pong sabihin ay permanency. Okay, principle of permanency and also principle of immutability. Immutability meaning it is not capable of changing. Okay, immutability. So constancy, immutability, and permanency, they are all the same. Okay, so from the womb to tomb, constancy. Okay? Okay, so in 1905, the Stratton brothers were convicted after they were charged of murdering the Faro couple. This accomplishment was the work of, yan. So ang nangyari sa case na to is burglar sila. Okay, ninakawan nila yung shop nitong mag-asawang na to, Faro couple. So na-identify niya itong criminals na to. So sa pamamagitan sa Belper Committee kasi noon is itong group of people na pinag-aaralan nila yung fingerprint. Okay? So ginawa nila ito in Britain. Yan. So sino yan? That is Henry Folds. Okay? Henry Folds. Right? So ginawa niya yan kasi na-establish na ng Belper Committee na yung fingerprint as a reliable means of identification. So itong si Folds, ginamit na yon, okay, yung study na yon to identify kung sino ba yung nag-grab na ito. Itong case na ito, it is also known as the mass murders kasi gumamit sila ng black stockings. Black stockings to hide their identities. Okay, so that is Henry Folds. Okay. Okay. So located under the undersides of the palms, okay, and the soles appear as corrugated skin structure known to the biologist. Okay, so in the biological sense, mga kaibigan, sa biological sense, ano ang tawag natin dito at saka sa soles ng feet? Nabanggit ko na yan kanina. So in the biological sense, known to the biologist, anong tawag natin dito at saka yung sa soles ng feet? Okay, we call that the volar skin. Okay, volar skin. O, paano naman kapag fingerprint examiner? Known to the fingerprint examiner. So, in the fingerprint sense, okay, ano ang tawag natin dyan? That is what? Yan, we call that the friction skin. Okay? Okay, so he's the first, tama ba? Okay, he's the first, he first used fingerprints on native contracts on Hooghly district in Jungipur, India. Ayan. So basically, tinatanong lang dito, what is the spelling ng pangalan ni Sir William James Herschel? Okay, so the answer is letter D. Okay, Sir William James Herschel. Again, sino yung tao na naiprint yung kanyang sino yung pinakaunang tao na naiprint ni Sir William Herschel? That is Rajadhar Konai. Okay, yung pinakaunang tao na naiprint niya, Rajadhar Konai. That's why he is considered as the father of chiroscopy. Okay, lumabat na. Alright, so next, number 32, a person's fingerprint on his birth until his burial shall remain. Okay, what principle greatly describes the priest? So kanina, I think this is a rephrase of the earlier question. No? So from the womb to tomb, diba? From the birth until his burial, what is the principle? Yeah, that is the principle of permanency, constancy, perpetuity, immutability, pare-pareho lang po yan. Okay? Okay, next. So who is the native of Charlotte who used surgery to destroy his friction ridges and was known as the man without fingerprint? Alright, so dito makikita natin yung iba't ibang tao na sinira nila yung fingerprint nila only to discover na ito pala ibabalik lang, no? Okay. So, para to distinguish itong mga tao na to, tatandaan nyo lamang kung ano yung ginamit nila. Paano nila isinagawa yung pagbura ng kanilang fingerprint. Okay? So, tatandaan nyo kapag ang ginamit niya is surgery, so, ang ginawa niya is itong skin dito, okay, tinanggal niya yung skin niya dyan, okay, at kumuha siya ng skin dito sa kanyang chest, sa kanyang dibdib. At yun ang ipinalit dito sa kanyang skin. Napakasakit nun, ano? So, opera siya. So, kumuha ng balat sa kanyang dibdib, tapos idilagay sa kanyang mga fingertips. Okay? That's why wala kang makikitang fingerprint dyan. Okay? Wala kang makikitang friction ridges. That's why he is known as the man without fingerprint. So, sino yan? Okay? Take note ha, that is Robert James Pitts. Okay? Robert James Pitts. Pero, kapag tinutukoy ay gumamit ng lason, okay, gumamit ng acid, strong acid, binurn niya o sinunog niya yung kanyang daliri sa pamagitan ng strong acids. Okay? That is John Dillinger. Okay? John Dillinger. Yung Charlie. Hindi yung letter D. Yung Charlie, dalawang L. Okay? So, John Dillinger gumamit ng acid. Robert James Pitts gumamit ng surgery. The man without fingerprint. Okay? Yan. So in the Philippines, what is the first case and conviction na nag-recognize ng science of fingerprint? That is the People versus Medina. Tignan natin yan. So again, how many points? 8 points. Okay. Sir, what is People versus Vera? Familiar ata kayo dyan? Yes. People versus Vera, although hindi po yan sa fingerprint, pero baka maaaring itanong sa inyong correction. Why? This case challenged the constitutionality of our earlier probation law. Okay, yung pinakauna nating probation law, challenge yung constitutionality. Okay? And West case, this is a very interesting case. Bakit? Because this case is, ito yung nag-defeat. Take note ha. Pag tinanong, what case defeated the anthropometric system? That is the West case. Anthropometric system, that is the West case. Bakit? Nangyari sa kaso na to is that si William West, okay, ikinulong doon sa isang penitentiary. Okay? And according to the record, ang sabi ng mga officials is that etong tao na to, itong si William West, is nakulong na earlier. Sabi ni William West, hindi pa. Okay? Hindi pa. It is the first time, sabi niya. But yun pala, is meron na palang nakakulong na si Will West. Okay? So yung kapatid pala niya na matagal nang nawalay sa kanya. Okay? They have almost the same dimensions sa lahat. Same height, magkamukha, same ng jaw, ng haba ng braso, ng haba ng paa. Okay? They have almost the same dimension. Halos lahat. Okay? Magkaiba silang tao. So that's why the anthropometric system was proven to be ineffective. Okay? At doon nila ginamit yung fingerprint. Okay? And yung fingerprint ni William West at the Will West, of course, ay magkaiba. That's why the case that defeated the anthropometric system, that is the West case. Okay? The cases of William West and Will West. Okay? Study of the soles of the feet. Yan. What is the study of the soles of the feet? Discuss na natin yan kanina. We have the podoscopy. Okay? Podoscopy. Yan. What is the study of the pores? Poroscopy. Who is the father of poroscopy? That is Edmund Locard. Okay? Edmund Locard. He is also the father of forensics and also the father, also known as the Sherlock Holmes of France. Tinanong po yan December 2017. Who is considered as the Sherlock Holmes of France? Kasi ang ginagawa niya is he is using scientific principles to detect crimes, to solve crimes. Okay? That is Edmund Locard. Edgeoscopy is the study of the edges ng ridge. Okay? And take note, who is the father of sino yung proponent ng edgeoscopy? That is Dr. Salil Chatterjee. Okay? So I will chat ko sa inyo yung paano ba i-chat to? Wala. Okay. So yung yan. Wait lang. Okay, so i-chat ko yung spelling niya. Salil Chatterjee. Okay. So, edgeoscopy ulit is the study of the edges of the ridge. Okay? Yan. So, sino yung proponent po ng edgeoscopy? That is Salil Chatterjee. Yan. Nakita niyo po, nakita niyo yung spelling? Take note of that. And then when we see chiloscopy, okay? Chiloscopy it is the study of the lip prints. Yan, yung sa lips. Okay, kung mapapansin niyo mga kaibigan, according to the chiloscopy, meron pong individual lip prints. Yan. Kaya ma-identify na kung sino yung humalik, diba? So lip prints, that is chiloscopy. Okay? Yan. So, maliwanag po. Okay. Take note also the study of fingerprint shapes. Okay? So, sino yan? So, ang pinag-aaralan dito is the study of the fingerprint shapes, okay, or edges. That is Harold Cummins. Okay, okay. I think wait lang. Wait. Okay, so sorry. Ganun. Okay. So take note, Harold Cummins is the father of dermatoglyphics. Okay? Dermatoglyphics. Dermatoglyphics. Okay? So he's the father of dermatographics, that is Harold Cummins. Okay, nakikita nyo po? Nabasa nyo? Take note of that. Okay.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!